Gold.
Gold.
It's gold, baby.
That gold.
I'm
Go
Jaco.
ahead. I'm Justice, and this is our gold
Badge.
SQL badge.
Oh, that's how I was.
Don't forget the S and the Q and the L.
Can't forget that, but I can't forget question 1 because I'm going to give it to you right now. Question 1. What are some popular database systems?
Oracle. For you Matrix fans, no. Oracle's out there. MySQL, that's my personal favorite. Then there's the Microsoft SQL Server. There's a lot of database systems out there that people use.
Alrighty, question 2. Pretend we are creating a table to save users' data. We want to store their name, favorite food, and favorite color. How many columns will our table have? 3.
3. It will have 3. 1 for their name, 1 for their favorite food, and 1 for their favorite color in those columns.
Question 3. What can we do if we want to also store their favorite movie?
Add one. You can add a new column.
Ding.
Yeah, and if you wanted to add their favorite blah blah blah, you can add another column, and their favorite another column.
Question 4. When we create a table, how many rows of data does it start with?
Aha, the big goose egg. Oh, yeah. So even though it has all of the structure for the columns, we haven't actually inserted any values or any rows of data into that thing. So when you start with the column, it starts with 0 rows.
That makes sense.
Yes.
Question 5. Pretend we have a website/database that has 100 users. How many rows of data in our user table?
Is that 100?
Yes.
100? Nice.
I see 100.
Well, if there's 100 users, we're going to have 100 rows. Yeah, there's going to be 100 rows if there's 100 users. That's why there's rows.
And circle gets the square. Question 6. Pretend we get a new user to the website. How many rows of data will be in our user table?
Well, we had 100. We added 1. So...
Math.
100 plus 1 is 101. Yeah, you are a math guy, right?
Yeah. They should make a movie about that.
Should we check that
Number.
on my calculator?
Yeah, double check.
Just kidding. Yeah, you'll have 101 users now because every user you add a new row. Pretty cool.
Awful.
Awful.
Not that.
No.
Question 7. Most people assign a number to each of their rows called an
ID. Yeah, this is some smart nerd stuff. Somebody figured that out a while ago that if they should add an ID or a number to each of their rows,
Yes, I do know. Now. Question 8. Why do people assign IDs to table rows?
Yeah, so why do they do it? It's
Right.
It's a good that they do it, but we kind of want to know why. Why should we add an ID column right there? Well, because it makes your getting your data and putting your data, it makes it a lot faster and it makes it a lot easier to go get later, right? Because we want our websites to load fast. If we add an ID in there, we can say, instead of saying, hey, go get me the row that has Jaco with the favorite color blue and his last name is, Badge Queen. No, you're the Badge King. I'm the Badge Prince. You win. Here you go. Boom, there's your crown. Yeah, so they add those ID columns to make it faster and easier to get later.
That is awesome.
You left me in suspense right there.
I was trying to. So yeah, 8 questions, 8 for 8. We're done. We passed our badge, our SQL badge. And you guys should be pro nerds by now with that gold, man.
Pro nerds.
So best of luck taking your quiz. Hopefully you guys pass. And we'll see you next time.
I'm so happy.
And this is Happy, and I'm Jaco. We'll talk to you later.